Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today I'm showing new products I have never tried. Plus we are going to try them on together. I'm going to try this Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I have with aloe. I have the shade 103. It's supposed to be very hydrating. I'm going to apply it with this brush that I bought. It's an e.l.f. foundation brush. It looks like it has a little swirl on the end. So I'm just going to squeeze this on here all around. It's a tinted moisturizer, so I don't think it's supposed to be have that much coverage, but I'll just maybe cover my redness a little bit, maybe. I have a lot of redness in my skin. Like I mentioned, I have dry, sensitive skin. A lot of things irritate it, but this seems alright. Doesn't have a smell, which is good. So for a natural look, fresh feel, buildable coverage, 12-hour hydration. I like the look of it. It looks pretty natural, like it says. Next I have the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I have the shade Fair Rose. It looks pretty light. We will see what it looks like. I like to apply it over the nose, the chin, the forehead. I'm just going to use a foundation brush, dab it in. Put it over my eyes. I didn't have an eye primer. Forgot to grab one. So we'll just deal with that for now. A lot of times I will just put concealer over my eyelids instead of eyeshadow primer. It's very brightening, it looks like. Alright, I might have put too much. It does brighten the whole face. I bought these two cheek products. One is the e.l.f. Putty Blush, infused with argan oil and vitamin E in Turks and Caicos. And I also have this Maybelline Cheek Heat. Very bright pink, looks like. Gel cream blush and rose flush. Looks very pretty, like a peachy orange color. Great for summer. I don't really have a brush right now. Alright, I do not know about this tinted moisturizer. It seems like every time I try to put something on with my fingers, it just takes the product off. So I'm going to do that. And then I might use this foundation brush. Try to push it in. So a sponge would probably be really good to apply this with. Alright. Just very lightly press it in, or else it will blend away, looks like. Let's try the other one on the other cheek and see what happens. Maybe if I tried that blush with a different foundation, it would work better. It looks kind of darker than it did in the picture on the finger, but here we go. This might be too much, but we will try it. Alright, it's darker than I thought it was going to be. I have a lot on my finger, but we'll just try and blend it in. Alright, this one blends easier. It's very creamy. Very light and creamy. This one blends in with your finger and does not look like it took any of the foundation off. Wet n Wild Brow Shaping Gel. Brow Sessive. We will try this and see what it looks like. Alright. Well, those cheeks are very pigmented today. It's alright. We will deal with it. Looks like a very small brush. Just going in very lightly at first to see what happens. Alright, well, just messed the end up here. The end looks kind of crazy, but we'll fix it. Here we go. I'm not going in yet until, just trying to doing brows are not my strong suit. I usually use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It's working pretty good for me, but I thought I would try this out and see what happens. See if it's any better. Which it applies very easily. I don't want too dark a brow. I just want to fill it in a little bit. I have the Bambi Eye Mascara from L'Oreal. I bought this e.l.f. Big Mood. I bought the purple one, which is deep brown. I already opened this, but I have not tried it. The Illegal Length Mascara by Maybelline, which is what we're going to go in with today. Just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave it the way it is and just try the mascara. Just see what this mascara. It has a small wand. Not a lot of product comes out on the wand, which I like. Hate when a lot of product comes out. You have to scrape it off. My lashes are very short and stubby. I need a lot of length and volume. Brush is kind of twisted, which is at first why I got this all over myself. I just lightly put the bottom. Ever so lightly. I'm gonna go back into the other side. Alright, a lot more came off of that round. Try this. It's supposed to give you length, like maybe a little length, not much. I mean, I'm not someone who needs like a lot of lashes. I just like to coat my lashes. This doesn't look like it does that much. And I like it because that's the kind of look I'm going for usually. But it doesn't really give you that much length or volume or anything. I mean, it's just a regular mascara, 2 lip pencils I bought from Maybelline, bought Nude Whisper, and I bought Dusty Rose. Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid in the color Moon. Very pretty color. This looks like my natural lip color almost, which is good. I'm not someone who typically uses a lot of liner, but I figured I'd try it. I like that color. Now let's try this. It's very sparkly. Very pretty color. I'll have to go and get some more of these. Look like this is very good. Very glossy. I love gloss. Gloss is my favorite thing. Kind of has a coconut kind of taste to it a little bit. Not bad. I usually don't like a lot of scent with my lip products or any makeup products in general. I do not like a lot of scent. It bothers me sometimes, but this is not too bad. Looks very pretty with the liner. Overall, pretty good. Let me know if you've tried any of these products and what your thoughts are on them. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.